Today I'm looking for a hotel in the city of Klaten, which is located in the center of Java Island in Indonesia. For those unfamiliar with the geography, Java is the island with Indonesia's current capital Jakarta on the west side and Bali on a neighboring island to the east. Klaten is a small city in central Java, situated between Yogyakarta, also known as Jogja, and Surakarta, also known as Solo by the locals, to avoid confusion with other cities. I'm heading to Klaten tomorrow and I need to find a hotel. To find the best hotels anywhere in the world, and specifically in Klaten, Indonesia, we're going to use the best price comparison tool available. Let's open a web browser and go to wcifly.com sky. Here we'll have access to a hotel comparison engine that searches across all major booking platforms, making it very easy to find and compare the best prices. Let's click on hotel. If needed, we can change the language and currency. For now, let's leave it as it is. We search for a hotel in Klaten, central Java. As you'll notice, there are actually several cities named Klaten in Indonesia. This happens a lot with Indonesian cities. Multiple places share the same name. That's why cities often have nicknames. In our case, we want Klaten in central Java, not East Java. Pay close attention to that. For example, we're arriving tomorrow, February 4th, staying until February 6th. 2 adults, 1 room. Let's search. Once all the hotels load, we can zoom in a bit on the map. We want to stay more or less in central Klaten, close to the train station. By zooming in, the map reloads with hotels that are actually in Klaten and not in the surrounding areas. Now we can start filtering. For example, I want to see only the cheapest hotels. Let's say between $0 and $25. As we add filters, we can see what's available. Let's also filter for a swimming pool. With these filters, there's one hotel available with a pool for about $8 per night. That's roughly €7. So about 15 euros for 2 nights. Not bad at all. If we open the hotel page, we can see more photos and the details of available rooms. This particular hotel is only available through booking, but depending on the hotel, you might see it listed on multiple sites with different prices. Let's check the photos. Unfortunately, there aren't many photos available, especially of the pool. If having a pool is absolutely essential, maybe we need to increase our budget. Let's remove the price filter and see if more options appear. Interesting. Even without the price filter, there's really only one hotel with a pool in this city. Klaten is a small town with limited hotel options, but there's still a nice selection to choose from. We can browse hotels based on photos, location, and price. For example, if we want to be closer to the city center or the train station, we can see several options right here. Hotels at $10, others at $17. For example, here's a guest house. If we click on it, we can see the different room options. This one offers a room at $16 per night, which is about 14 euros. Again, it's listed through booking. It's a small city with fewer options than bigger places like Solo or Yogyakarta. But if other booking sites offer rooms at this hotel, you'll find them all right here in one place. So whenever you're looking for an affordable hotel, head to wcifly.com.sky and compare prices instantly. You'll find the best hotel deals not just for Klaten, but for anywhere in the world. And you can also use it to find flights to get to Klaten in Indonesia or wherever your next adventure takes you. Happy travels!